Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the Google account you want to use. This matters because Google Voice ties to that identity. Once signed in, open Voice. Google. Com in a browser or launch the Google Voice app on your phone. Make sure you have your phone ready to receive a verification code, since Google may verify ownership. Now tap or click Sign In and Proceed. This moves you straight into account selection and verification, so you can pick a number. After you click Sign In, you'll see Accounts. Choose the one you want because picking the wrong account links the wrong number. Next, grant required permissions. These let voice access calls and messages. Without them, features are limited. You'll be prompted to verify a phone number, enter a reachable number, then type the SMS code or accept the verification call. Once verified, Google links the number so you can continue to claim or set up your Google Voice number. Finish by confirming your chosen Google Voice number and reviewing settings like voicemail and forwarding. This ensures calls go where you expect. If login seems incomplete, sign out and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens. Make sure two-factor prompts are accepted. One key troubleshooting tip: if you're stuck on loading or verification, clear browser cache or use an incognito window and retry. That often resolves stale session or cookie content.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.